action photo. I'm like, can't be like looking.
Okay, then just go over there and do it.
Like, what smells?
Smells like fart.
Grace, go up there.
Try the rest of this.
Yeah. Go up there. I'm ready. I'll take a picture. Yep.
Pop a cork and sip champagne.
Bigger, better store in Westwood.
Okay.
This ABC7 Eyewitness Newscast is sponsored in part by Sizzler. Steak and lobster is on the menu at Sizzler. Fresh cut sirloin.
Parkour.
Tender best.
This is parkour. Parkour. I can't do it on yours.
Bam's gonna get you. You said that Bam's protecting us. Don't do that.
If I like could jump like this, parkour. That's parkour.
Look at her. She's like gonna get you for doing that. Do it again. Watch her. Watch her. Do it again. Watch her. She won't really bite you.
Is she really going to?
Go up there and take a picture.
Why would you tell me to do it if you knew you're so mean?
She won't really bite you.
Do it again, Grace.
That's her idea of biting. That's the extent of her biting, okay?
There's no
Parkour.
No,